I am in no way affiliated with IMS. I'm just an old dirtbag making videos. That's all I am. So, hello everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about the new Ims 3.8 gallon fuel tank. I recently had a chance to put it through the ringer on the Chattahoochee BDRX, a 4-day ride camping. And stay tuned because I'm about to tell you all about the tank and if it's worth the money. Now, for all you KLX owners out there, KLX300 specifically, you know the stock fuel tank and the fuel range is always a concern. At 2 gallons, you couldn't go anywhere. You had to keep stopping to fill up. So IMS listened to the people. They came out with a 3.8 gallon tank, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about it. As you can see, the tank is a little bit taller and wider stance. It gives the bike a little fatter stance up front. I kind of appreciate that. It makes it a little easier to lock in with your legs. So I'm kind of a fan of the design of it. Uh, Another thing about the tank is it's 3.8 gallons. It's almost double the capacity of the stock tank. And as far as fuel range goes, on the BDRX, I had 178 miles on one tank. Fuel lights still hadn't came on. So my estimate is you can get over 200 miles with a tank on this new 3.8 gallon. It's a bad boy. It's a beast. If fuel range ain't a concern to you and weight is, then you may not want this 3.8 gallon tank. You may want to stick with the 2 gallon stock tank. But if you like to get out in the backcountry, explore, and adventure, I'm going to tell you right now, you need to get this 3.8 gallon tank. It's a game changer. It's I haven't yet worried about where I'm going to get gas next. I can ride all day, never have to stop and fill up. Uh, that extra 6 pounds of weight when the tank's fuel up front, you don't even notice it. The design carries the weight super well. It's it's the same bike. I mean, it just goes a lot further. You can ride a lot longer. The installation was super easy. I got a video where I went over the installation. I'll put a link to that in the description. I'll also put a link to the Chattahoochee BDRX video series in the description. So if you want to see the ringer I put it through, I mean, I even crashed with it pretty hard, pretty good crashing. No worse for wear, no leaks. Like I said, and I didn't crash because of the tank. I crashed because I was riding a little fast, which I tend to do sometimes. But for all you people out there debating whether it's worth the money to spend on this gas tank, I'm here to tell you, don't waste no more time. Get it purchased. Single best upgrade I bought for this bike was this gas tank. I mean, it's opened up a world of possibilities now. I'm thinking about the TAT, thinking about some of these longer BDRs. It's a game changer. If you want to make a lightweight adventure bike, the KLX300 with this 3.8 gallon tank, that's a solution. So don't wait no longer. Get out there and get you one of these tanks. Go out, explore, test the limits, go as far as you want to go. It over 200 miles, like I said, it's my estimate. One day I'll run it out, maybe I'll let you know. But until then, make sure you hit this like button, let YouTube know I ain't a complete idiot, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new content that's coming out. We got a lot more adventuring to do. See ya.